Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I haven't flown over here in a little while. I'm back with another plane from AliExpress. Good AliExpress finds, y'all. I have a link in the description and codes for you guys to check it out and get it at a cheaper price if you like. A lot of people don't like airliners. I'm not one of those people. I love these little things, the little airliners, especially when they have EDFs. So this is the new one. This is a new one, the BM30 twin EDF. It's not brushless, not yet at least. I do plan on putting some brushless motors in this guy, but right now it's the BM30 in its stock form. Got this transmitter right here. This is a 3-channel, so we only have elevator in the back and differential thrust here, and the throttle actually makes it go faster. We can't do any rolls, but we probably can do some loops. But let's get this guy up in the air. It's been a while since I've flown over here. I got the wheels on it because I really want to take off from the ground with it. Thinking we might try to go uphill over there. Let's get it. I think it's deviated too. Well, I think it can be flown by multi-protocol transmitters. Let me see that. But I just wanted to fly it in its stock form for this video right here. So hopefully we're able to take off. If not, we'll just do a hand launch, but let's try. I think I need to go to the bigger rudder. There's 2 speeds. It's up in the air. Man. Whoa! Let's land it. I'm thinking maybe maybe I needed to go to small rudder, because it felt like it barely had any stabilization. I know I can't fly without stabilization on a 3-channel. So let me get this guy up in the air with a hand toss. Oh, right into the barbed wire. Yeah, not a lot of elevator when you put it on beginner. So maybe we might have to keep it in the tougher. Maybe we might have to keep it in the big rudder, it says. The second gear. And this battery door keeps popping open. Let me try to adjust this and get this correctly seated in here. The battery in the battery bay. Okay, so sheesh, let's try it again. Our front wheel is bent. Okay, I bent that back so we can come in for our landing. I'm a little nervous with it now. Let me see. Really don't have a lot of elevator. Didn't take any damage yet, even after hitting those barbed wires over there. Let's try to get it up in the air. Whoa. Uh-oh. Turn around, turn around. Crazy plane. Okay, I can't seem to get it to turn the other direction. I'm just going to bring it down, y'all. It won't turn in the other direction. Looks like no damage. Inspecting it. seems to be pretty resilient. I think I'm going to take this guy out to the field though to get a little more space to try to get used to its flying and try to figure out how to get the differential thrust working to my liking. I might even hook it up to the multi-protocol transmitter to see if that makes it fly a little better. But let's get it to the field. So I made it out here to the field. I removed the landing gear, and also I ditched the stock transmitter from my boxer. So let's see, it binds to the boxer multi-protocol transmitter.
Welcome to HTX.
I had to reverse the aileron. Let's see if we can get it flying. I think we might be stuck in a circle, y'all. Oh! And it almost ran into me. For some reason, it doesn't want to come out of that that bank there. Oh man, we busted one of the motors off, one of the engines. It can be fixed, but right now we're immobilized. This thing is grounded, check it out. And so it was stuck in that circle. For some reason it doesn't want to bank to the other side. So a flaw with this plane for sure. I'll still have a link in the description if for some reason you still want to grab this plane. But I'm going to mod this guy. I'm thinking about turning this into a 4-channel ducted motor brushless airliner. It's a little bit smaller than the previous one that I had with the 4 engines on the front. It had 4 EDFs on the front. Both of them were brushed motors. This one has brushed motors. I plan to switch this one to brushless. And so that's all we got. That's all we're going to be able to do. Can't get this guy back up in the air. Thanks for watching.